So here we have the setup. I'm trying the new HDMI dual link DVI adapter. It's plugged in. It's not really giving a great picture. You can see, I can see the mouse moving. I can get to my name, and if I type the code, we'll see what happens when it logs in. Oops, losing something. Not necessarily being beautifully recognized there. There we go. We had a little flash of something. There we go. That's still looking a little clunky. Let's see Finder. Let's go to Preferences. Display. Try that. It's doing it, but it's not doing it particularly well. There's some issue with this. I click best for display, standard 60 Hz. Let's try it at 30 Hz. That's standard, scaled. That's not really working so well. 1600. Not working so well. 2000. Yeah, that's not a huge success. And if I go back to my PC, here's the PC screen. Let's change mouse, and oops, you can see a completely different high resolution screen. So yeah, that's much higher resolution than on the other one, which is here. We change out. Yeah, it's just not quite flying.